Jhor Waterfall is one of the beautiful natural water springs among the Kathmandu Valley, which is located in Tokha municipality in the border between Kathmandu and Nuwakot district. This is the most visited place around the Kathmandu Valley, where visitors can enjoy bathing and playing the spring water in the waterfalls during the summer season. And it is also the tourist attraction for the religious people who can worship and make their wishes in the temple of Lord Shiva, opens every Monday and Saturday. While talking about beautiful waterfalls and the temple of Lord Shiva, many of you are wondering about reaching there but not know how. So, wherever you are located in the valley and not so familiar with this location, first of all, you have to reach Samakhusi chowk, where you can catch the public buses if you are not going with your own vehicles. And it is about 10 km far from here.
Good morning guys, happy Saturday सबैजनालाई। आज चाहिँ यो वेदर राम्रो भएको कारणले हामी चाहिँ यसो घुम्नलाई निस्किरहेछौँ। बाटै रहन्छ यार। आज त यसो घुम्नको लागि झोरतिर जानु पर्यो भनेर हामी एउटा क्याम्प बनाएर चाहिँ झोर जाँदैछौँ। हामी यहाँ चाहिँ अहिले समीर छ अगाडि राइड गरिरहेछ। त्यही राइडर सेटलमा हो। पछाडि आउँदैछ अनि त्यसपछि अलि माथि गएर हामी अरू दुईजना साथीहरूलाई भेट पाउँछौँ। त्यसपछि चाहिँ हामी गुटुटुटुटु जान्छौँ। यो 2 दिनको पानीले बाटो त सडै छ यहाँ। राइडर केटो मैले के गर्छ होइन। फाइनली हामी चाहिँ यहाँ आइपुग्यौँ झोरको माथि।
What's up my rowdies boys and girls?
In this perfect destination, there are several ways of enjoying it, such as playing with water or having a dry picnic with the magnificent view of Kathmandu Valley. Or it is also part of Shiva National Park, so just to be into nature and enjoy the scenario is something about having a quality time. If you want to have fun and play with water, we suggest you carry a spare of cloth along with a towel and a plastic bag to keep your things safe, such as your wallet, phone, and camera. And you are ready to have fun.
कठिन हो पुरै ओ ड्याम ओ जान जाकेडाहरु जान वाउ म्यान वाउ सही हो ए भाइरल ओ जानु जा यो ड्याम सही समीरे तेरो पाली ओए विजय हाम्रो तपस्या सुरु भइरहेको छ विजयको हरि सर माथि विजय दिपेश तेरो पाली ओए दिपेश तेरो पाली ल र दिपेश छिर्न लागेको छ ओडा म्यान ओ छिरो